Hey guys, welcome back to
Hi guys. Okay.
He's never on these videos. And well, I don't know the name of my channel, so welcome back to my channel where safety is #1 rule. We're going to be trying to launch this rocket for the 3rd time. All right, guys, the 3rd time, number 3. We failed twice, 2 times. Because this is kind of a cheap product.
Okay.
I never recommend it. So, can you unscrew this, Daddy?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to put the blocky
You gotta
thing.
put those things in there fast.
I know.
Where's it? Tell me when it's a half.
All right, so we're filling that up. Keep going. That's good, that's good. And you put way too much, but that's okay. I'll pour it. All right, whoa, exactly. All right, so we got to
Break
put these
in half.
little fizzer tablets. All right, and now we're going to dump these little fizzies.
Man, as soon as we put it in, we gotta put that rocket on.
Yeah, exactly. That's the problem.
Take all this stuff.
Oh, God, they're all messy.
Yeah, put
All
it
right.
in quickly.
Quickly. Never recommend this to a friend if you have the product. Okay, guys? All right. All right, watch out.
Let's see if it works now.
Yeah. This is the last time I'm recording this. Oh my God, it's snowing.
Yep.
Come on. Oh my gosh, seriously? Oh.
Come on, man.
I wish I got that on camera. Are you serious? Look at this, guys. It didn't even launch an inch into the air.
Hang on.
Are you
Come on, man.
serious?
Come on. Let's just do this again.
You probably need a new tablet.
Let's gonna see.
Come on. We're going to try it one last time, you guys. Okay? This is the 3 fails. 3! 3 times we failed. All right, guys, remember, do not do this thing at home. Do not buy it. It is a piece of junk. Never recommend it to a friend because they'll hate you and never be your friend again. No, they'll be your friend. They'll say it was terrible. Okay, we gotta shake it now. Push it down tight. All right, now. All right, that's good. Well, that worked.
Hey.
Yes,
Wow.
finally. I told you we needed a new fizzer. Ew, that's disgusting yellow grossness. Ew, it looks like pee. It's like yellow liquid on my driveway now.
Yeah,
So-
see if it goes again. I don't know.
Here, just hold this on the rocket. I'm going to go mess with it. I'm going to get...
Oh!
Yes, finally it worked.
Hey.
Now
And
it
of
went
course I
all
didn't
the
get
way
the whole thing.
over there. From there, all the way over there.
Well, at least it went up.
Yeah.
It had less water.
Huh?
That was only a little bit of water.
No, that was the exact amount. But
We
more.
could do it again.
That was more fizzes.
Yeah, let me go get more water. Hold on.
More water?
Yeah. There's the water still down.
But hurry, I'm gonna run out of storage. Sweet rocketness. Well, that was actually pretty fun. Funner than I thought it would be. Wow, you did that fast.
You told me to hurry up.
Thank you.
I got you, but I'm freezing.
Yeah, me too.
Hey.
All right.
Tell me when it's a half. Go on the other side. That's probably good
Nope,
enough.
keep
No,
going.
that's probably good enough. Put the top on.
The rocket is on. I bet this is adding pressure.
That's not too hard. Just a little hard.
Okay.
At least we got it to go up finally.
Can't believe it's snowing. You guys can't see the snow because there are tiny flakes, but it's snowing. Literally. Oh, this is so cool. You could set a focus on a certain area. That is so cool.
Okay.
Probably not enough fizz left.
No, there's a whole bunch of tablets.
You didn't put enough water.
No, there was less water in there before.
No, that was before there was more water. No, wait. I want to shake it. I want to get messy. Woo! Oh, yeah, it worked finally. Well, that's it. Oh, God. That's it for today.
Bye-bye, everybody. It finally worked.
Dad. Yeah, okay. Didn't it work like twice or 3 times? Bye, guys. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.